Guys, today we're eating Italian food. Why? I don't know, because we are. Let's go check it out. Let's see what it's busy in there.
Oh, and we can get a seat.
It's like max busy. Guys, look at, we're here for this. There. Margherita, pizza, parmigiano reggiano. Guys, we got seats, baby. Oh my god. Water test, guys. Cheers. Yeah, that's water. God. Guys, Coke highball. Let's see what this is hitting on. Cheers, my friends. I can tell you right off the bat, the smell, the aroma. That's one of the best highball Cokes I've ever had. It's so good. It's a good mix. Ginger highball. Kind of smells like a Moscow Mule. That one's not bad. I prefer the Coke highball, but if you're a ginger person or you like Moscow Mules, go for the ginger one. I can't even talk already. Cut. Burrito pizza just got here. Let's see what this is hitting on. Look at it. Cheers. Doughy, airy, sweet, and I don't know what else to say, guys. I'm not a professional, alright? It tastes good. Meat sauce pasta. Let's have a little bite out of this thing, come on. Cheers, guys. Let me taste this meat. I mean, it's pasta. I'm not gonna say it's the best thing I've ever had, but it's alright. Cut. Oh my gosh. Last bite, guys. Cheers. Not terrible, not good. I think it was like 1,000 yen, so $7, something like that. It makes sense for the price. I wasn't expecting something amazing, but if they added a little bit more salt, it'd be so much better. Cut out. Guys, we just got some dessert wine. Look at how tiny this is. Are you kidding me? It's like a shot glass. Cheers. I don't know if I'm supposed to be drinking this or not. It tastes strange, like a dessert wine. Let's try this. Brownie, ice cream. Let's test this out, guys. Mediocre. It's like, it's hard, a hard brownie. The ice cream is ice cream. I love ice cream. Not too bad. Cut out. What's your thoughts on this?
Like late, how I date. 4.5 guys.
For the brownie ice cream? I'm about the same. It's like a 5 out of 10. It's mid, not amazing, nothing crazy. It's dry brownie with some nuts inside of it. Vanilla bean ice cream with some Hershey syrup drizzle. The brownie's not like hot or warm or anything.
Hershey syrup is good.
I can make some good chocolate milk with this Hershey syrup for sure. But besides that, I'm gonna finish it because I'm not a monster, but it's just alright. 5 out of 10. I would not recommend. Cut it out, cut it out. Guys, last. This brownie's so dry. Guys, last bite. I'd say cheers, but it doesn't deserve that. Dry.
Hershey syrup is good.
Not that good. This, like, dessert wine, I don't know what to even say about it. It's weird. It has a strong aftertaste of alcohol. The first few sips tasted really sweet, but now it's just liqueur. You understand? Yeah, bitter. Not sweet anymore. It's all right. Cut to outside. $4,774 yen. It's all right. Let's go for a little stroll. Out of 10, I'll give it a 6. I feel like it's maybe a 6.5. It's all right. The pasta was mid. The brownie was terrible. It really brought it down. I like the vibe in there. I like the customer service was nice, but food was just average. I mean, it's Japanese Italian food. It's not going to be amazing. You get what I'm saying?
It's also like a budget, kind of.
Yeah,
so.
I mean, it's not. We also got a lot. You know, depending on what your definition of budget is. It was what, $30, maybe $32 for. What did we get? Pasta, pizza, 2 drinks, and a dessert.
3 drinks actually.
Oh, 3 drinks. That's pretty reasonable, I would say. In America, this $30 is 2 meals. That's it. Maybe. Because the meal will probably be like $20 a piece. So it's all right. We might have something else. God. Are these crispy salt bread? Guys, today's meal, bread. Guys, croissant. This is bonus, baby. This is bonus, baby. Let me smell it.
It's like
Buttery. What does it smell like?
sewer.
What?
Sewer.
It does not smell like the sewer. Buttery.
Oh. Ooh,
Have a
fluffy.
peek.
Bon appetit.
Last time it came here, it was fresh. Just made it. Now, it's been sitting around a little bit, so not as good, but it's still amazing. And the fact that we came here 2 times means it's good. God.